We at Dental and Maxillofacial Implant Clinic bring you this video wherein we show you precise implant placement via a CAD CAM guided stent. These stents allow an implant to be placed with minimal discomfort, no cuts, no stitches, no swelling. This procedure is specially recommended for geriatric patients. Herein we show you the BioHorizons guided surgery protocol. Where a patient's CT scan is loaded onto a specialized software and we can actually see where we place our implants. This plan is then exported via email to your laboratory, and the dentist gets a CAD CAM stent as per the patient's computerized tomographic scan. These CAD CAM stents can be snapped onto the patient's existing teeth, enabling the surgeon to drill for the implant in a very precise and a pain-free manner. After the drilling is done, the implant can be placed through the same CAD CAM stent to a predetermined position which was planned prior according to the patient's CT scan. With this procedure, there is perfect safety with regards to the position of the implant and with regards to danger of any important anatomic structures. No injections, no cuts, no stitches, minimal discomfort. You can even plan your CAD CAM crown even before placing your implant, so that immediately after the implant is inserted, the crown can be placed and the patient walks out with a fixed tooth in the mouth. Thank you for watching. Please contact us for further details.